Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Subtutorials. Today's paragraph is my first experience in the kitchen. So, let's start. Making a cup of tea for my father was my first experience in the kitchen. I took a clean pan and filled it with 1 cup of water. I put it to boil, then I put half a teaspoonful of dry tea leaves into the boiling water. The color of water turned brown. I removed the pan from the fire. I covered it and boiled half cup of milk. I rinsed a teacup with water and sipped the brown tea water into it. I added milk and mixed the sugar just like my father had told me. He takes just 2 spoonful of milk and 1 spoonful of sugar. I gave the tea to my father. He took a sip and smiled. My first effort in the kitchen was successful. Thank you. Like, share, and comment.